Hey everyone, welcome to the sixth part of this logo design course, in which we will create a simple presentation for the logo design. The purpose of this presentation is to ensure that the client believes that this selected logo is the best representation of their brand's vision and values. I have categorized the presentation in two parts. Number 1, materialistic presentation, and number 2, emotional presentation. In materialistic presentation, we usually explore the logo's visual on different colored backgrounds at different scales and through different mockups. Moving on to the emotional presentation. The purpose of this presentation is to create an emotional connection between client and their logo design. Here, we will create and exaggerate a background story for the logo design. A logical narrative that convinces the client that why this specific logo is the optimal choice for their brand. So the goal is to instill a sense of pride and create an emotional connection by crafting a compelling background story. Now let's move on to the practical example of our brand Amana Fi. And we will create a compelling background story for this refined version of our logo design. First of all, we can say that overall, this design represents the initial letter A. Then, the logo is designed as an inverted heart, emphasizing compassion, sympathy, and customer care. At number 3, the logo represents a folding or wrapping visual, symbolizing cover and safety. This bottom side resembles a roof design or a side view of an umbrella, signifying protection and care during challenging times. Both of these points are almost same, but remember that here we are creating and exaggerating a story, so be it. Now overall, this logo represents a triangular shape that emphasizes on stronghold, stability, and balance. Next we have the logo somehow looks like an inverted shield, which ultimately represents security. The top of the logo looks like a rounded crest, with rounded edges representing flexibility in services and friendliness. Now we are almost done with the story points. But still, I want to add some more generic points that resonates with the brand's personality. Like, this logo has a minimal and memorable visual. The design is easily scalable. We can identify the logo even in small sizes, like as an app icon. And lastly, we can say that it has a balanced and trustworthy visual. We have also touched on balance in the triangular visual, but I want to fill the empty spaces by adding more elements that resonates with the brand's vision and values. And it's time for our simplistic final presentation. Our final presentation includes the logo, its appearance on different colored backgrounds at different scales with realistic mockups, and this emotionally compelling presentation that convinces the client that this logo is the perfect fit for their brand. This type of presentation compels the client to believe in your hard work, passion, and dedication to designing their logo. You might have spent hours or days on research, mind mapping, sketching, etc., but it might be in vain if the client is not satisfied with the final logo. So, to achieve and exceed the client's expectations, you must have to create a smart and emotionally compelling presentation. I hope that you have gained something from this video. Until next time, take care and have a nice day.